In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Antigravity login issue where it says not eligible. So if you're stuck on the sign-in page or getting the not eligible message, just follow this carefully. Now, before you even try to log in, there are a few things you need to make sure are already in place. So first, you must be on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It has to be a 64-bit system, and you must be using the Windows 64-bit installer. Now, you also need a stable internet connection, Chrome or Edge set as your default browser, and make sure you are not using a VPN, no ad blockers, and no aggressive firewall settings during the first login attempt. Now, here is the common problem most people face. You click Sign in with Google, the browser opens, and then nothing happens, or you see a message saying, "This Google account is not eligible for this application." Now, this is very important. This is not a problem with your PC, and reinstalling the app will not fix it. Now, this issue happens for two main reasons. The first reason is your Google account is not eligible. So some accounts are blocked based on region, age, verification status, or how new the account is. The second reason is your internet location does not match your Google account region. So this includes mobile data IPs, carrier networks, VPN IPs, or regions that Google does not allow yet. Now, I'll tell you what actually fixed this problem. Now, I personally had the same issue, and I tried reinstalling the app, resetting the browser, changing settings, and nothing worked. The only thing that fixed it was this: using a different Google account, using a different internet connection, and making sure the account region and internet region matched. Now, in my case, I used another Google account that was not brand new. The account region was United Kingdom. The phone number used to verify the account was also UK-based, and I connected using a stable connection from the same region. Now, after doing that, the login worked immediately without any errors. Now, here's why this works. Google checks your IP region, your Google account region, and your phone number region. And if these don't match or look suspicious, the login either fails silently or shows the not eligible error. Now, this usually happens because the app is still in an early release phase and Google has not enabled it for all accounts or regions yet. Now, if you try this method using another Google account and another internet connection and it works, let me know in the comments. And if it doesn't work, leave a comment as well, and I'll help you troubleshoot it. And that's it. That's how you fix the Google Antigravity not eligible login issue. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.